For many centuries, people of China used green tea for treating various diseases. However, with the advancement of time, today people of the West use green tea, realizing its several benefits. Green tea has long been esteemed in China for its involvement in good health. The fame of green tea in the United States persists to develop, viewing that green tea is an innate foundation of antioxidants. These antioxidants aid and defend the body from accelerating aging and augmented danger of ailments. Years of research reveal that green tea restrains the expansion of objectionable cell colonies, thus building it the healthiest tea obtainable. In fact, green tea has spread all over the world because of its wonderful health benefits. In this video, we are going to be talking about the health benefits of green tea and the healthiest way to take it. Here are the wonderful benefits of green tea. Increase lifespan. The Chinese and Japanese have always believed that a regular intake of green tea means a longer, healthier life. In the early 1990s, scientists proved this belief to be true when a survey of 3,000 Japanese women showed that those who drank green tea lived longer than those who did not. It acts as an antibacterial agent. Continued research has also proved that green tea actually offers protection against cardiac ailments, liver disorders, and acts as an antibacterial agent for the immune system. The reason for this is the presence of strong antioxidants in green tea. It acts against cancerous cells. Essentially, green tea contains a group of chemicals called catechine polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. That's a mouthful, but EGCG is a very powerful antioxidant that hinders the growth of carcinogenic cells. And even, according to some researchers, kills cancerous cells without damaging healthy tissue. Lowers cholesterol. EGCG also lowers LDL or bad cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of blood clots, which in turn reduces the risk of thrombosis, the leading cause of cardiac attacks and strokes. Doesn't that seem an awful lot for one antioxidant to do? It is an antidepressant, hinders the aging process. Green tea also contains caffeine, vitamins like E and C, and several minerals. Caffeine, as the world knows, is a mild antidepressant that stimulates the skeletal muscles and assists muscular contraction, while the vitamins and minerals hinder the aging process. It helps in weight loss. And I haven't even told you about the weight loss benefits of green tea yet. In plain terms, green tea burns fat, lots of it. In fact, it has what is scientifically called thermogenic properties, which means it actively promotes fat oxidation. In fact, a Japanese study conducted on two separate groups of men of similar size based upon body mass index and waist circumference has shown that if all other conditions like diet and calorie intake remain equal, people who ingest a greater amount of polyphenols present in green tea will lose more weight than those who ingested a lower volume of polyphenols. It fights bacteria, boosts the immune system. Green tea has the capability to fight bacteria, and this can be counted as one of the chief benefits of green tea. This boosts your immune system, thereby increasing the resistance power. It also helps kill bacteria that cause plaque and succeeding tooth decay. Green tea can help to fight food poisoning. Get rid of bad breath. Also, green tea helps in getting rid of bad breath. Some element is present in green tea that stunts the growth of bad odor-causing bacteria. Therefore, a cup or two of green tea regularly can help in maintaining fresh breath. Reduces the impact of smoking. If you are a chain smoker and also you consume around 6 cups of green tea a day, then the propensity of risk caused due to the toxins emitted by cigarette smoke is reduced to a great extent. Skin treatment. Green tea also contributes to maintaining your beauty. With the help of green tea, you can freshen up your face and apply around your tired eyes to get a soothing feeling. If you have freckles or blemishes on your face, you can apply green tea to get rid of the spots. Green tea also has benefits for antiseptic purposes. It can be used to treat minor cuts, rashes, and also can be treated to cure sunburn. Do you know that? Green tea is organically grown and the customary drying method used with green tea prevents the tea from the harmful effects of fermentation. Destroys free radicals. It has been confirmed that green tea is stuffed with health benefits. It acts as an influential antioxidant, which has been identified to assist prevent cancer, pull through from the harmful cholesterol, and guard against harm caused by free radicals. However, you manage to incorporate green tea in your diet, as well as it on a standard basis will help you receive the utmost results. Put in green tea to a vigorous, balanced diet and exercise schedule for general fitness. Here is how you make the healthiest cup of green tea possible. Do not add green tea directly into boiling water as it destroys this catechine present in green tea. Do not go decaf as this process hurts all the nutrients found in green tea. Do not cheap out, please, go for the good premium stuff as it contains all the nutrients we have been talking about, and do not buy into BS supplements that take green tea extracts and claims that it has miracle benefits. They don't, as the real thing is better than the supplements. If you like this video, please, like and share with your friends. And also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching it.